J.M. Espeja, Peng Maniego, Desiree Go, Michael Dorilag, and of course, our center owner, J.R. Colina. At syempre po, yung mga uplines na nandito ngayon from Dipolog, Miss Bing Bukad, Celestino Villafuerte, and from Negros naman po, Mr. Raymond Espiritu. From Manila, Dr. Plong Arambulo, and Mr. Glenn Onyate na nasa likod po. And of course, our center owners, Joy Deli Abueva of Dumaguete, and Miss Emily Colina of Iloilo Product Center. And of course, yung Team GFO. Sigaw na lang po yung mga teams na natawagin ko. Team GFO, Team Dumaguete, Team Points Abante All-Star, Life Treasure, 1M Vitanas Positivity, JLG Team Rojas, Triple P Happy Team International. Hello! Triple P Success Team International. Triple P Solid International. At ang Infinite Champions Dynamic. Meron pa, Unlimited Bing Global, Unlimited Smile, Iloilo Cavite, Unlimited Abundance Empire, and of course, ang UP PGH Dream Team. At of course, sa inyong lahat na nandito ngayon, welcome po sa First Vita Plus. Ang dami po. Okay, pwede po kayong magsiupo na. Thank you po. Okay, so marami na po tayong narinig na nagsalita ngayon. And simple lang po ang mensahe na gusto kong iwanan sa inyo ngayong hapon. So, in life, we often hear the saying, you must make a choice to take the chance if you want anything in life to change. So, those are the 3 C's of life. Choices, changes, and chances. Pagpili,